We're here to show you how to bind off and pattern. We start with knitting the knits, doing 2 of those, and you're going to pull the one stitch over the other. And right here we can see that we have a purl stitch because there's a bump under the needle. So we're going to purl the purls. Purl 1 and pull the stitch over. The next stitch is a purl. See the little bump? Purl the stitch. So there's 2 stitches on your needle. Pull the right one over the left one. Next we have a knit stitch. So move back to the knitting. Knit the stitch and pull over. Easy as that.